Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Banana Republic. It's a designer brand. Their main business is clothing, but they have quite an extensive fragrance lineup, and from time to time they release fragrances that it catches people's imagination, especially for the price. They're usually quite good value for money, and they smell quite good. I used to have one fragrance from them before, and that was the Vintage Green, which is discontinued, and that was very good for the price. So when I saw this new release, I had to get it and see how it goes. I paid for it myself. So in United Kingdom you can find them, they are retailed about £60, but you can find them discounted usually from time to time around £30 to £35, which is quite good. They are 75 ml eau de parfum, and this one in particular called Midnight Hour. So it's a typical box, as you can see, from Banana Republic. Before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. Your finger can do wonders. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to do anything. It's just a movement of a finger, but that will make this channel go a long way. Your support will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. Thank you for your support, and let's go. So again, typical bottle box, which is quite nice, and it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. And it's a very thick cardboard, and it opens like this, and it's a very nice looking bottle. This one is a dark blue. It says Midnight Hour, so I'm expecting it to be quite opulent. Look at that beautiful dark blue color. Again, very heavy bottle, 75 ml. The cap itself is very heavy, it's metal. And let's go with the atomizer. Here we go. Very good atomizer. Okay, so far so good, perfect. So how is the Midnight Hour by Banana Republic, 75 ml eau de parfum, and this one is targeted unisex. Here we go. First impression. Creed Aventus number 3400. Oh dear, no. Listen, I'm a bias toward Creed Aventus DNA. I love my Creed Aventus DNA. The more the merrier. I'm not disappointed whatsoever. But the good thing is, it smells amazing. Yeah, beauty. So opens up like Creed Aventus. It's just basically very fruity, very citrusy, very quite woody. It's a tiny bit of that birch feel to it right now for the first impression, and it's done very well. So it's the brand Banana Republic, they know how to do these things quite well, especially for the price. So I am happy. So if you like Creed Aventus and you want it to be done well, this is one of them to get. Yeah, the usual suspect is here. It's quite it's got a big patchouli in here. It's got a big rose and jasmine. It's got a big birch. The fruits are very nice and juicy at the moment. Definitely pineapple, definitely blackcurrant, definitely bergamot and apple. Very crispy apple actually. Yeah, the apple is very crispy. And also the that tiny bit of smokiness, not much right now, almost non-existent, but let's see how it develops, if it goes towards the smokiness or the fruitiness or whatever. At the moment is very inviting, very fresh, very uplifting, as Creed Aventus opening is. It's actually one of the best opening in the Creed Aventus DNA copy clone inspired fragrances. So the opening is absolutely gorgeous. Tiny bit of leathery feel to it, not much right now, just a tiny bit, just giving it that foundation. There's about woody, leathery feel as well. But overall, it's done very well. So let's see how is the longevity. If the longevity is good, because some of their fragrances, they lasted very good long time. Especially that vintage green I had, it was like easily 7-8 hours. So if it lasts that long for this price and is this quality, we have a banger on our hand. But obviously you need to like your Creed Aventus DNA if you not already have many of them. I got about 25 or 30 of them already, but the more the merrier. I love the DNA of Creed Aventus. I never regret buying another one, but overall it's beautifully done. Beautiful. The fruitiness are very juicy fruity. Oh my goodness, very well done, beautiful. Okay, so so far so good. Presentation excellent, especially for a price. Quality excellent, especially for a price. The perfumery is very good. The price is right. So the only thing is missing is the performance. If the performance is good, we got another banger on our hand. By the way, this is very versatile. You can use it all year round. You can use it, anybody can use it, any age, any sex. Although it leans masculine because, you know, Creed Aventus DNA is quite masculine. But if you like this kind of fragrances, who am I to deny you? If you like a smell, you wear it. If you don't like a smell, don't wear it. As simple as that. It doesn't matter which sex is targeted towards. I always say that in my videos, and I still think that's the case, because smell doesn't have gender, smell doesn't have sex. It's all in our head. We are all conditioned to think like that because these companies want you to think like that, because you know the marketing, and they sell more and more profit. Anyway, I digress. So we have a very good banger on our hand so far for the first impression. I'll let you know in the next video the longevity, development, things like that. But for first impression, first sniff, yes, I'm very happy with it. I'll give it 2 thumbs up. Let's see how is it going to be performing. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, don't forget to hit those buttons, like, subscribe, comments, share this video. All these things will help this channel, and I'll bring you more bangers in future. And if you like to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, very good value for money, super artistic, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the links as well. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.